dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. So, welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 4, Language and Literature, Chapter number 19, Proverbs. We use proverbs to make our language beautiful. Here are some proverbs. Can you complete them? Number 1. Honesty is the best policy. Practice makes the man perfect. As you sow, so shall you reap. The early bird gets the worm. All good things must come to an end. Look before you leap. A picture is worth 1,000 words. All dash lead to Rome. Number 8. All roads lead to Rome. A stitch in time saves. A stitch in time saves 9. Dash is only skin deep. Beauty. Where there's a dash, there's a way. Where there's a road, there's a way. Okay, where is a will? Jahan chaha wahan raha. Will. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Short terms. Can you write the full forms of these popular expressions? Okay. Number 1, FYI. For your information. For your information. Number 2, DP, display picture. Number 3, ASAP, as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Number 4, SOS, save our souls. Save our souls. TY, thank you. Number 6, BRB, be right back. Number 7, laughing. Number 7, lol, laughing out loud. OMG, oh my god. Number 9, ROFL, rolling on floor, laughing. Number T. Number 10. TTYL. Talk to you later. Number 11. D&D. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Number 12. BTW. By the way. By the way. Okay, this question is in here. Now next question. Can you write the full forms of these abbreviations? Okay. PM. Post Meridium. WWF. Worldwide Fund. Number 3, UFO. Identified flying object. UNICEF. United Nations. Nations. Example. EG मतलब exemplary, gazetteer. kg kilogram, ATM, automated, teller, machine. Okay, now number 8. Post meridian, anti meridian. Number 9. AD means add. Anno Domini. Number 10. IIST. So what is it? It is Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. Number 11. ETA. Estimated time of arrival. Number 12. MBA, Master of Business Administration. Master of Business Administration. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. We are pairs. There is a pair of words used in each of these sentences. One word of each pair is missing. Find and write it. So we need another cup and saucer. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes and socks. Wash your hands with soap and water. Our classroom looks neat and clean. Keep valuable under lock and key. Should we go up or stairs? Should we go up or down? Stairs. My little sister knows how to read and write. The police maintain law and order. Okay? So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. Fun with words. Many words have more than one meaning. So read the descriptions and write correct word in each case. The sound made by a dog is what you can peel off a tree. Bark. A clock has generally 3 of this, but you have 2 hands. Part of a bird or part of an aeroplane. Wing. Punk. An Indian musical instrument or a brand of soap, Santoor. It can be used for pasting paper and you may chew some and not finish. Gum. You might act in one, but it is the opposite of work. Play. A round playing object that bounces at a type of dance. Ball. Okay? So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. Check out things at home. Okay. What are these things collectively called? Name them using the help box. What are the things collectively called? With the help box. Seasonings. Salt, mustard, pepper. Seasoning. Knives, forks, spoons. Cutlery. Soya sauce, tomato ketchup, chili sauce, flavoring. Cloves, cumin, cinnamon, spices. Pencils, erasers, notebooks, stationery. lemon squash, coffee and tea. Beverages, beverages. Rice flour, cornflakes. Cereals. Cups, saucers and plates. Crockery. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. An eye for signboards. Where do you usually find these signboards? Tick right the correct option. Okay. Where do you usually find these boards? And correct option. Number 1. Houseful. In front of a cinema hall. Horn, okay, please. Behind a truck. Silence, please. In a park, in a library. Notice, tick, no bells. Notice, tick, no bills. Number 4. Option A, on a wall. Number 5. Beware of dog. Inside a cinema hall. Outside a gate in a museum. Then 5 is B. Outside a gate. Admissions closed. Outside a hospital, police station or school. Outside a school. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 25. Books and authors. Books are our best friends. Here are some great authors and their books. Match the names of authors with their books by writing the correct letter in each book. Okay. Number 1. Rabindranath Tagore. Gitanjali. Option F. Okay. Number 2. Vishnu Sharma. Option E. Panchtantra. Rudyard Kipling. Number 3. Option D. Jungle Book. Option D. Okay. Number 4. J.K. Rowling. Option I. Harry Potter. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B. Jawaharlal Nehru, the discovery of India. Lewis Carroll. Number 6. Option J. Alice's Adventures Alice in Wonderland. यानी कि Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Option J. Number 7. R.K. Narayanan. Option C. Malgudi Days. Number 8. Kalidasa. Option A. Abhigyan Shakuntalam. Number 9. Premchand Godan. Option H. And the last one, Jonathan Swift. Option G. Gulliver's Travel. Option G. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 26. How many? Fill in the blanks with the numbers related to the following statements. Choose your answer from the help box. The Vedas, 4. Number 2, millennium, 1000. Okay, number 3, primary colors, 3. Century, 100. Okay, the 1, 2, 3. Gems at Akbar's court. 7. कितने रत्न? 9. 9 है ना, 9. कितने जेम्स थे? 9. 9. गोल्डन जुबली 25. 25 years. Ancient wonders of the world, Ajube 7. These are 7. Golden Jubilee 50. Ancient wonders of the world 7. Silver Jubilee 25. Numbers of season 5. Duck in cricket 0. Okay, my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.